Cue the buzzwords. We're talking about
Agents.
AI agents.
AI
Agents.
Okay, wait, what even is an agent?
Agents are LLMs plus tools running 24/7 without human intervention. We now have the capability to give instructions, and the agent figures out how to get it done.
Ooh, like an associate. They can do stuff for me. What do they do on Rails?
The agent approves or denies transactions on your behalf.
When you upload your policy, it provides all the context for the agent to learn from.
When it doesn't feel confident, the agent will escalate to a reviewer to take that second look.
Another part that's very magical is RAMP will suggest edits to your policy based on what it's seeing.
So they review and make my policy better? Very cool. What else?
So employees can now text RAMP any question they have about the policy, like, is this chair in policy? Is this desk in policy? Is this dog in policy? And RAMP will respond right away saying yes or no.
How can I see how the agents are doing?
The dashboard helps admins see the full picture of compliance, but it also takes a look at how the agent is performing and how reviewers are responding to the agent. Are they listening? Do they disagree? This also helps to really train the agent to get better over time.
So what does using agents mean for my finance team?
There's a lot of bullshit work that we all have to do just to get our jobs done. And if we can outsource a lot of that to agents, then we have to deal with a lot less bullshit. And hopefully that makes everyone's lives a lot better.